Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing these ski bushing stiffeners. Now, the reason we use these is because your skis are very floppy with these stock ski rubbers. So these are going to stiffen them right up so then your skis are nice and straight all the time. So we'll cut out that last. So the part we're putting in today is the Munster Ski Bushing Stiffeners. So they're black anodized aluminum and they go underneath the ski rubbers to right here. So they go underneath and like I said earlier, they stiffen them right up. So pretty easy. So let's get some tools and get started. So tools you're gonna need, 16mm wrench for the bolt head, and you're gonna need a 50mm socket or wrench for the nut side. So we'll zip this off. There we go. And take our hammer, get that out of there, and there we go. Drop the ski right off. So in order to take these off and install this, you first just pop this one up. It just pops out like that. And this tab goes into this slot right here. So you just push it on like so. It's all snug. And then it has a hole there for this tab to go into. And then it slides right into place right there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. All right, guys, so what we did here was we took 2 pieces of 2x4 and we cut another little piece of 2x4 so it fit inside the ski and squished the rubber down. Then we put the ski on top of 2 jack stands, lifted this up, lifted this down, and then put 2 C-clamps on it so we could squish, 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 and then put the bolt back in. And yeah, so we just built a press. Yeah, but that was more fun to say.
All right, well, let's see if we can get this to squish down and we'll get that bolt hole lined up.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, we'll get the bolt hole lined up and we'll get the bolt back in. So it's necessary to try and squish this because that spacer is holding the rubber up about 1/4 of an inch and the weight of the machine is not enough to squish it down and get the bolt back in. All right, let's try and get this in. But let me just grab a lineup punch.
Okay.
And then we might be able to just pop the bolt right in.
Okay.
So here's a lineup punch. So then we just kind of, oh, it's got to go. Well, guess what? It's lined. It was lined. Okay. What did you say earlier? I don't think we need to do all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's not. Okay, hang on, buddy. So we got that. We should be able to twist it. Okay, I got an idea.
Okay.
Let me grab this. It's called the F bar by Fat Max.
I see.
Right?
Yeah.
I wonder if we can hook this on. And I just twist it.
Okay.
And you can just hammer that up.
All right, I'll try that.
Hang on, let me. So I don't want to damage the ski.
Yeah.
Right? But I think we'll be all right.
I don't know.
Okay, give it a whack. Oh, we got it, but guess what?
What?
We got to go the other way.
Oh. Okay.
Dang it. All right, Link, let's try it a normal way on this one.
Sure.
Obviously that one didn't work worth a shit.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, you take the bolt. Let me take the ski.
Okay.
And here, I'll tilt it up, try and get the thing started. Somewhat, yeah.
Not really.
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
That's
give
in.
it a couple of taps with the hammer.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me grab hold of it and I'll just twist it up real hard.
Yeah.
And you try and hammer it home, okay?
Okay.
And go for it. No, hang on, buddy. Let me hold again here. Nope. Okay, go. Nope. No. Okay. Let me grab a pry bar.
Okay.
See if I can get this big pry bar on here, and I'll pull on the ski at the same. Hold it straight. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Not quite. All right. Hold on. We got to reevaluate. All right, guys. So we put a 2x4 on the inside edge of the ski to try to get that to help twist the ski to line up this bolt hole. So I think it's very close that we should be able to just smack her home like that. There you go. Way easier than that other contraption we built.
The press.
Yeah, the wooden C-clamp press thing. All right, okay. We're going to put the bolts back in this, or the nuts back on it. And that's it. Job done.
All right, guys, there we go. It's all installed. And now look, like that is quite a bit stiffer. I'm putting some pressure in that to move it like that. It's quite a bit stiffer. So we will, these, what are they called? Ski Bushing Stiffeners, that's what they're called. We'll put a link to them in the description. They're from Munster, as we said. So yeah, we'll put a link down there so you can go check them out. But that's it for today. I would say it was a quick, short one. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one, I guess.